So today we're going to do a classic dairy dinner. Meatballs, potato and gravy. Now everybody loves this. It's kind of like a variation of stew, except it's compartmentalised, and you have your gravy, potato on one side and then your potato on the other side. Now you could put it all together and have like a stew style thing, which I've really done a thing about that. But I think you're going to like this. So obviously if you're going to do some kind of potato dish, the first thing you're going to have to address is identifying your potato and getting it. So there's loads of different varieties of potato on the market that you can get here in Ireland, and at different times of year you get different types of potato and all the rest of it. They're generally much the same. Some are more advanced than others and some are definitely more tastier. Species of potato we have now currently at the moment, well, they're just alright. Pre-famine, the potato, they reckon, was a lot more flavourful than what it is now today, but unfortunately after the aftermath of the famine, we lost a lot of those varieties of potatoes, and now we've got the remnants of whatever remains, whatever from that period of time. But anyway, when selecting a potato, well, the first thing I think now in this modern time is that you can get them kind of clean without mud on them. And that, I know it doesn't make any difference, but they're clean, they're pre-washed. The important thing about that is sometimes you buy a bag of spuds with mud on it, half of them are rotten, you know what I mean? And I don't know anybody who can back to the shop and goes, look, that spud's rotten, I want my money back on it. You know, it's just something that doesn't done. When I get a bag of spuds, sometimes half of them are rotten, and you can't see, at least when you get the mud off them, you can see what they're dealing with, you can have a look at the bag, see what's rotten, see what's not rotten. But there's something else too with a clean spud. It enables you to do what they call a dry peel. So I know it's a bit controversial, but I find with a dry peel, you can do a lot of, there's no spuds not flying about your hand, you know what I mean, you can get the thing done. And as you can see here, a few seconds I get that peeled. Now if you had that wet, when I say wet, some people put the spuds in the water and peel them in the water. And I'm not against that, you know, I'm not saying that. If you have a dirty spud you might have to do that, but with a dry spud like this, or a dry clean spud, you can get a good clean peel there now and just give them a wee rinse. And the beauty about that is that you can advance that, you can take that one step forward. So you can see I'm working with a sink here, but in like a quick case, now if I was just doing a few spuds for myself, I can go directly off camera here to the bun, you can't see it, but I can put direct potato peelings in the bun, bypassing the need then to accumulate skins in the sink, which will obviously you're going to have to come back to that then, take out the skins, transfer them in the bun. You can go a direct peel under the bun. But I just wanted to talk about that briefly. So next, we're making meatballs here, mince meat, and I would recommend using nondescript, non-special mince, just a generic meat mince that you can get from practically anywhere. So you just need to put on the balls and throw them on. But these are cubes, like, but you can put it if you want to do balls. So you can probably go more elaborate than this if you wanted to. You don't do breadcrumbs, not there crack. But hey, it's, well, I don't even know what time it is now, 6 o'clock or something like that maybe. And you don't need to mess about really with this here. You want to get this cooked anyway. It's just meat here, meat and mince, just non-special about it, just ordinary mince, just generic mince, non-branded mince. Just cook that up. I'm going to I'll brown it a wee bit first, then I'll put the onions and put gravy on and all that there. So probably one of the most important things, like when you are doing a dinner, like it's one of the most significant things that you have to work with, is that you always bear in mind you need to turn on the switch. Most of them have a switch. It's usually, in this case it's the big red switch. Always make sure, particularly if you're going to record it, if you're planning on recording, making it dinner, it's important that you want to look like an idiot. Make sure that you have it turned on before you start cooking. Okay, the meat's been browned here. Backside, there was a lot of fat came off it, so pour that on the bun. I'm just going to put the onion in on top. Once the meat's been browned, put the onion on it. And then because I'm trying to be a wee bit fancier here, I might put some mixed herbage in it. You can go as elaborate as you want with this here. You know, in terms of your whatever you've got about. Look, so I'm just going to put that on there. It's going to be nice there. what's going to happen? Well, I might have got other stuff here too. You might put something else on. Pepper, all the rest. I just put on normal stuff there. So you've got a garlic down. That's a garlic powder. That's handy stuff. So I'd just like to mention this utensil here. Normally I would boil them, but in this case I'm steaming the potatoes. I find it's a lot quicker to work with, and I can only guess that the steam's hotter than the water, but I'm not too sure about that. If somebody has done any research on that in terms of scientific studies, I would guess it's the steam probably is warmer, but I don't know. Can't say. So once the onion and meat's kind of softened up a bit, then you just want to pour some of your generic non-branded gravy granule mixture on top of it then to form your kind of sauce. So that's been bubbling away for a couple of minutes there. Handy enough for dinner. Just to jazz it up then, what I would tend to do then is just, as the potatoes are more or less ready now, this has been cooking up. Now just the last minute, maybe the last 2 or 3 minutes in, I would throw in a ton of peas in on the top of it. But I should warn you about this. You want to make sure it's fairly clear about the green juice, because you'll end up with green gravy, and you probably want to avoid that. But you're just, what you're doing, you're saving another pot, because obviously you'd take another, you'd be a 2-pot, you'd be 3 pots. Not a weeknight anyway.